Gort na Móna GA Club is based in the Upper Springfield and Turf Lodge area of West Belfast. The club currently provides opportunities for 200 boys and girls to participate in a 12-month calendar of Gaelic games and activities. This includes Gaelic football for boys and girls, hurling, camogie and handball.
The club is currently served by one grass pitch. Because the club has grown so much over the last number of years, as well as the realities of the Irish winter, this provision is no longer adequate.
So this year the club's embarked on an exciting new venture with Holy Trinity Primary School with a view to building a state-of-the-art 4G multi-sports facility. The proposed development will massively improve the facilities and opportunities enjoyed by the girls and boys in the local community.
We have secured a range of funding for this facility but require the support of club members and the local community to fundraise the remaining money required.
Over the next few months, Gort na Móna is embarking on an ambitious plan to raise the necessary £30,000 to make this dream a reality, and we need the entire community to play their part.
Support your community, support the boys and girls, men and women of Gort na Móna.
I'm Gort na Móna. I am Gort na Móna. It's Mr. Gort na Móna. I am Gort na Móna. It's Mr. Gort na Móna. It's Mr. Gort na Móna. I'm Gort na Móna. It's Mr. Gort na Móna. It's Mr. Gort na Móna. I'm Gort na Móna. I am Gort na Móna.